If the pandemic has taught us anything, it's the limitation of tools like WebEx and Zoom. And while there are challenges with meeting online, digital tools allow us an unprecedented opportunity to make our interactions more effective, more inclusive, and more fun. I'm Jesse Harris, Director of Learning, Engagement, and Culture for Virgin Orbit, Sir Richard Branson's rocket company. My teaching partner, Laura Pickel, is a learning experience designer at Lyft. And we've facilitated hundreds of meetings, classes, gatherings, and conferences within our own organizations, as well as for Stanford, Ideo, and many others. In our meetup session, we'll share the 5-step framework that we use to quickly build trust, boost engagement, and produce results. And we'll get a little meta, and with you, we'll put on different hats as designers, facilitators, and participants. But most importantly, you'll walk away with a quick start toolkit that you can use in your very next meeting to build trust and help make it more effective and more human. We hope to see you there.